Life management gives students knowledge on an array of real-world concepts that they will be facing in the near future. Students research careers in order to find what fields they are interested in and what they need to do to pursue those interests.
In my life management class, we don't just talk about how do you calculate how much you're going to spend on your car, but we actually get to look at, okay, what am I looking for? How do I deal with roommates? How do I balance my checkbook? And they actually get to do it. They don't just get to sit there and listen, to a lecture or hear me just talk about it. They actually get to go and apply it to their own lives. And I think that makes it a lot of fun for them. We have a lot of open discussions in our classrooms, a lot of activity, a lot of variety, and I think that's what makes it for kids.
We learn how to find colleges, get into the college, how to find an apartment, and insurance, that kind of stuff. I took it because I knew I'd be going into college and out on my own after high school, so I had to get prepared.
The coursework includes other topics such as college admission, job attainment skills, insurance, apartment searching, nutrition, and much more.